This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. As usual, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and current trend of the market in all the time frame analysis. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entries and exit. It's not a trading advice. So when we look at the economic calendar for today is Friday, May 20th, and we have more of low impacting news coming up on New Zealand dollar, British pound, JPY, and when we look at the medium impacting news, at 11:30 AM we have medium impacting news on British pound. At 1 PM also we have medium impacting news for British pound. So requesting you to make your trading plans based on this economic calendar schedule. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, as we had analyzed yesterday, this level of 1780 is holding very strongly. We had noticed that previously the price action went on a bullish trend. It has made a 100% retracement to the point where it started its bullish trend. And when we analyze why this level is holding, we have to analyze the support and resistance levels in weekly time frame. We can notice that in weekly time frame, this level had acted as a very strong resistance level. Presently, this is acting as a support level. That is the reason the price couldn't break this support level, and it has shown a sign of trend reversal. Whether it is going to continue its trend reversal, it will be a second question, because we have lots of resistance levels in weekly time frame and also in the daily time frame. And again, when we come back to the daily time frame, we can understand that previously the price action was in a very strong bearish trend, and here we have noticed a price action breaking this trend line, and the candle has opened above this green color candle, but it is not a bullish trend reversal sign. It has to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1851, and also we have a very strong resistance level of 1870. It is only a pullback from this fall. It has retraced 50% of this fall. We can expect it to retrace again to gather enough momentum to restart its bullish trend. A price action similar to this one, where the consolidation was there, then we had a directional momentum. Now we can expect a consolidation to start around this area to gather enough momentum on the bullish side, or if the consolidation fails, we can expect the directional momentum on the bearish side. Since the price action has broken this support level of 1830, next level of resistance is going to be around 1873. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame and hourly time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it has clearly broken this resistance line over here from the daily time frame. And the candlestick formation, we are seeing a spinning top candle, which is an indecision candle. So we can expect the price action to continue its bullish trend or to retrace and retest on the support level of 1831 and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. When we look at the price action also, it has formed a similar to one double bottom pattern. So if it is to complete its double bottom pattern, it has to retest on the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1872. And if the price action breaks this previous low, then it is a bearish trend reversal, where we can expect it to retest on the higher time frame support level of 1780. This level of 1830 is the neck level of the double bottom pattern. So if the price action breaks this neck level, we can expect the price to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal, which means it will be breaking this trend line also, and it will be breaking the support level of 1831. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was in a very nice downtrend and it has taken support around the level of 1786 and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. It has also broken the first level of resistance and it has broken the second level of resistance also. And we are seeing a little bit of consolidation happening over here. So I have drawn a trend line over here to understand the current trend of the price action. So as long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side. Once this trend line is broken, we can expect the continuation of the bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame looks bullish. We can expect a retracement up to this trend line or support line. Wait for the price action to bounce back on the bullish side, and if the price action breaks this trend line, it is a bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also we are looking at very healthy bullish trend. It is trading within a bullish channel pattern over here. Currently it has tested this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. So we can expect a retracement to happen in 30 minutes time frame. So as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1872. And if the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, next level of support is going to be the hourly time frame support line. And if it breaks this hourly time frame support line also, we can expect the bearish trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. Here we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line and the support line. Here we have the hourly time frame support line. So from the higher time frame, we know that currently the price action is in a retracement on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1840 to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take the trade on the bullish side. It is under a consolidation for now in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. We have come to end of today's analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.